Come test drive the 2018 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.